Hey y'all! Got a sweet tooth and a festive spirit? Buckle up, we're whipping up eggnog pound cake with a glaze that'll make your taste buds sing. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, 3 sticks of unsalted butter, 5 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and of course 1 cup of eggnog. Don't forget the rum extract for that glaze. Step 2. Mix your dry ingredients. Step 3. Add in your butter and eggs. Step 4. Pour in the eggnog, both extracts, and let the holiday spirit infuse your batter. Now step 5. Bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes until golden brown and your kitchen smells like Grandma's house on Christmas morning. While the cake cools, step 6. Mix powdered sugar, eggnog, and rum extract. Drizzle that glaze like it's syrup on your cake. And voila! Your eggnog pound cake. A festive treat to sweeten your holiday season. Remember, the only thing better than eating it is sharing it. Thanks ever so much for watching.